Can you make a paper aeroplane?
No, because you throw it off people.
I won't now.
You have been.
I'm not going to do it now. Please. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
No. Jonathan?
What? What?
Nana's on the phone.
What is it doing a thing?
Jesus, I should keep him quiet on the bloody phone.
Why is it funny?
Oh, because can you make me paper aeroplane?
Why is it funny?
I don't think you're funny, Jonathan.
Can you make me paper aeroplane, please?
No, you're not having the paper airplane because you throw it off people.
I'm not going to do it now, I promise.
No,
I really won't.
you're not having one.
I'm not lying.
I know you're not having one.
Please.
No.
Please.
Nope.
Can you please?
No.
Why?
Because you've been throwing it off Abby.
I'm not going to do it now.
I told you, you're really getting on my nerves, Dad.
I'm not going to throw it at Abby now.
Jonathan, Mummy said no.
I tell you what, if you keep this up, Abby's going to buy you more birthday Christmases and any more presents. She's not a tree. She's not something you just jump on when you come.
I didn't jump on her.
You're giving her a bad heat.
I'm not talking to Abby.
Abby, 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 Abby. That's all she gets.
So who's going to make my paper aeroplane?
How about yourself?
No, I can't make a paper aeroplane. I can only make
Go to
helicopters.
school and learn how to build one then.
No,
Tell you what, even better, go to bed.
no.